Part 1, the be, do, have challenge. Question 1. The question is, she, blank, a student at Global English University. Option A, are. Option B, is. The correct answer is B, is. Question 2. The question is, they, blank, their homework every evening. Option A, do. Option B, does. The correct answer is A, do. Question 3. The question is, he, blank, a very expensive car. Option A, have. Option B, has. The correct answer is B, has. Question 4. The question is, it, blank, raining outside right now. Option A, am. Option B, is. The correct answer is B, is. Question 5. The question is, we, blank, a lot of work to finish today. Option A, have. Option B, has. The correct answer is A, have. Part 2, the professional level. Question 6. The question is, does he, blank, lunch at 12 p.m.? Option A, have. Option B, has. The correct answer is A, have. Remember, because we already used the word does, we do not need to add an extra s to the word have. Question 7. The question is, I, blank, not like to wake up early. Option A, do. Option B, am. The correct answer is A, do. Question 8. The question is, she, blank, not have any siblings. Option A, do. Option B, does. The correct answer is B, does. Question 9. The question is, blank, you ready to start the lesson? Option A, is. Option B, are. The correct answer is B, are. Question 10. The question is, he, blank, not angry with you. Option A, do. Option B, is. The correct answer is B, is.